everyone. Today let's go over another easy question. This one is a non-premium, and I think it might be a similar question to one of the Grind 75s. I can't remember, but I solved this one about 2.5 months ago, so let's do it again. This one is called consecutive characters, so let's read the question. The power of a string is the maximum length of a non-empty substring. So non-substrings have to be contiguous, right? So L and D are not substrings because there's things missing in between that contains only one unique character. Given a string S, the input string return a power of S. So we want to return an integer, right? So, okay. So basically we want to find a substring that only has one unique character. So basically no duplicates, and then the longest substring that has no duplicates. So we can verify this because you can see EE here is the longest substring without duplicates. Here EE doesn't have duplicates, and it's length 5, so we return 5. So if you know this, let's just go ahead and find all the substrings of S. So we'll go from left to right. And let's use another loop. And let's define a substring as S of I, j plus 1. That's how you find substrings. So basically, we have an I pointer, we're going to fix it. We have a j pointer going towards the end. I pointer, we fix it. J pointer going towards the end. And each one of these is a substring. So this. Then we do the same thing for T. Same thing, right? So now we can say if the length of the substring is equal to the length of set of substring, we know it's unique, right? Because if the set, for example, this is going to be of 2, the length is 2. So basically if, for example, you have a substring of EE, A, that's going to be of length 3, but the set would just be like E and A, which is going to be 2. So since there are duplicates, this is not true, but there are no duplicates, then, for example, the set is just going to be E. For example, for this, then that's going to be true. So this is how you find if there are duplicates or not in a substring. So the length of the substring itself, which is 3, has to be equal to the length of the set of the substring for it to have no duplicates. So I don't know if I said that right. So either way, we just want to check no duplicates. I don't know why I said that, but result equals to 0. If in that case, result equals to max of result of length of substring. And then return result. I don't know why my picture wasn't showing correctly there. So, okay. So let's try to create maybe a dictionary. This is more clear. Of int. I'm going to clear it at every substring. And let's say d of s of j plus equal to 1. So if max of d dot values is equal to 1, then result equals max of result j minus I plus 1. Right, that's the way to check frequencies. Why is this still not doing it? Okay, so let's say c equals counter of substring. If max of c dot values is less than 2, I guess we can say max of results and j minus I plus 1, that is the length of the substring. Why is this not working? Okay, so the counter of the substring, yep. Oh, sorry. If the length of C is equal to 1, because the keys have to be unique, right? There we go. Because if you have more than one key, that means like you're keeping track of A and E. A might appear 2 times, E might appear 3 times. Having more than one key means that you don't have what it takes. Okay, time limit exceeded. Okay. How about instead of doing this, let's just do this instead. Or, yeah, let's actually, this is going to take O of n times, so that was actually a decent idea. Clear, and then d of s of j plus equal to 1. Length of d is equal to 1, then that's true. Same thing. We're just not recreating the dictionary every turn. See, that passes now. This is more efficient because counter is like O of n times O of n. So this would be O of n squared by itself, and then plus another O of n is O of n cubed. That's not the most efficient. Now it's at least n squared. So yeah, this just means, for example, if you have a dictionary, there's only one key instead of like A, 2, and E, 4. This is not unique. This is unique, right? So the character and the frequency with this dictionary. Hope you enjoyed this video, and consider subscribing and stay tuned for more.